Hi friends, in last video I have shown you how to set up the Kafka UI. So in this video I will show you how to connect the Kafdrop UI to the Kafka server. So for setting up the Kaf, Kafdrop UI we must need to download the Kafka UI jar file from the Chrome browser. So I am going to search Kaf, Kafdrop UI Kafdrop jar download. After that, you will see one GitHub URL link will be appear. So clicking this URL and going to the bottom, you will see Kafdrop UI. Kafdrop jar will be appear. So I'm going to download this jar. So for downloading the jar, I'm clicking this link. Once once it download, I will copy this jar to another C drive folders and will run it. So wait sometimes until it will not download it. Yeah, now it is downloaded. Going to download folder. Here you will see the drop jar is available. So I'm going to cut this jar and going to C drive. Here creating a folder cap drop drop UI and here pasting the jar. Now for running the Kafdrop UI, we must run the Zookeeper and Kafka server. So for running the Kafka server, first we need to delete the Kafka logs file. So going to temp folder, here you will see Kafka log folder is appear and Zookeeper folder is appear. So I'm deleting this folder. Now closing this and opening the cmd command by using Windows plus R and here typing cmd. Here I'm going to Kafka folders for running the zookeepers. So go in Kafka. Here we are going to run first zookeeper. So for running zookeeper we need to follow the mention command and adding the property file zookeeper property file. Now entering. Once the zookeeper is started, then we will run the Kafka server. I have already told you that zookeeper will start to 181 port. You can see here, which is highlighted. After that, I am opening another cmd command by using Window R and typing cmd. Here I am going to Kafka folder and running the Kafka. So typing dot slash win slash window slash Kafka. Here Kafka after that server and typing the button. Here also adding the property file, server property file and entering it. Once Kafka server is started, then we will run the Kafdrop UI. Yeah, now Kafka server is started. You can see here. Just wait sometimes. Yeah, now it started Kafka server. Now first I have started the zookeeper, then I have started the Kafka server. Now it's time to run the Kafdrop UI. So for running the Kafdrop UI, we are going to Kafdrop UI folder. So I'm going to C drive here. You will able to see Kafdrop UI folder here opening the CMD command. So for running the Kafdrop UI, we need to we need to mention the we need to use the mention command. So Java hyphen minus jar and kf drop jar name now hyphen hyphen Kafka broker is nothing but the our Kafka server. So here I'm mentioning Kafka broker connect localhost colon 9092 Kafka server port number. Now I can also mention connect Kafka zookeeper connect zookeeper dot connect. Here we can also pass the zookeeper for 2181. Now we need to define we need to define server dot port equal to 90900 and entering it. I hope it will run. Let's see. No active profile set and it is going default profile. Yeah, now Kafdrop UI is started. Here in the above command, I have added the port number 9000. You can see here. So I'm going to the Chrome browser in the in the Google Chrome browser. Here typing HTTP colon localhost 9000 and entering. Now now it is open. You can see here total parties and all the topics, how many topics count here and how many Kafka server is connected, broker server. You can say that broker server of Kafka server. Here by using new, you can create the topic name, number of parties and how many replica you can define here and create. So in this video, I have only show you how to set the Kafdrop UI. In upcoming video, I will I will show you how to create topics in the Kafdrop and the Kafbat UI as well as CMD command. So so if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you friends.